On today's episode, 4 restaurant-style vegan ramen bowls you can make at home. First up, mixed miso ramen. Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. In another pot, add 2 cups veggie stock, 5 grams of kombu, couple tablespoons corn. Cover the pot and bring to a boil. Serving bowl, 1 teaspoon cane sugar, 1/4 teaspoon pink salt, 1 teaspoon rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Mix. Using handmade noodles from our previous episode, it'll take literally 7 minutes to cook in boiling water. Stir and loosen the noodles occasionally with chopsticks. Half tablespoon white miso. Half tablespoon red miso. Use a sieve to help dissolve the miso into your broth. Bring the broth back up to a boil. Pour the broth into the serving bowl using a sieve to catch the solid ingredients. Save the kombu for another recipe. Set the corn aside. Strain all your noodles and place them in the serving bowl. Corn. Enoki mushrooms. Fresh green onions. White sesame seeds. Sesame oil. You can now make this incredible mixed miso ramen with absolute confidence. Next up, a ramen bowl that has a bold personality. Vegan black miso ramen. This is amazing kombu that's locally grown in South Korea. I got this when I was there on a work trip. Just look how thick that is. That is incredible. I've been waiting to use this. I'll just need about half of this. Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. In another pot, heat up 3 cups of water on medium-high. Kombu, shiitake, apple. When your dashi comes to a boil, turn it down to medium and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Mixing bowl, 1 teaspoon rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sake. This is the amazing black garlic oil I made in the previous episode. 1 teaspoon black garlic oil. Whisk. Noodles into boiling water. One tablespoon black miso. Use a sieve to whisk through the miso paste for a smoother finish. Pour the dashi into the flavoring using a sieve to catch the solid ingredients. Whisk. And just pour in an amazing broth. It smells absolutely incredible. Take out the kombu and apples, set the mushrooms aside. When your noodles are cooked, strain through a sieve. Plate. mushrooms, green onion, nori, black sesame seeds,
just a little bit more of that amazing black garlic oil. That is phenomenal.
An incredible ramen with bold flavor you can make with confidence. On the other end of the spectrum, this bowl of ramen is light and hearty. Vegan SHIO ramen. 1 clove garlic, finely chopped. 1 shallot, finely chopped. 1 piece of ginger, grated. Finely chopped 1 full stick green onion. Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. Heat up another saucepan on medium heat. Drizzle with olive oil. Saute your prepped veg for 2 minutes. A handful of dried sliced shiitake mushrooms. About 10 grams of kombu. 2 cups water. Season with a generous pinch of salt, cover, and cook for 5 to 8 minutes. Cook the noodles in the boiling water as per package directions. Loosen the noodles with chopsticks occasionally. Serving bowl, 1/4 teaspoon pink salt, 1 teaspoon sake, 1 teaspoon rice vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon sesame oil, 1/2 tablespoon white sesame seeds. Remove the kombu to discard or save for other recipes. Flavorful stock ready. Pour the stock into the serving bowl to combine the flavors. Use a sieve to drain the water from the noodles. Top your ramen with fresh green onions, and shredded nori. You can now make this delicious SHIO style ramen with absolute confidence. Last up, one of my absolute favorites, vegan spicy tantan ramen. Bring a pot of water to boil. Bok choy, garlic, chop,
These are oyster mushrooms. Just amazing. Now don't chop them to smithereens. Simply just take the bigger ones and peel them down.
hot pan, olive oil, bok choy, set aside. Pan back under the heat, mushrooms and garlic. Noodles into boiling water. Once your mushrooms are soft and moist, set aside.
We're going to use that same pan to make the stock because there's all that flavor in there from the garlic, the bok choy, and the mushrooms. Don't wash it out.
Vegetable stock. Turn your heat down to low. Unsweetened almond milk. Stir.
Now take your most beautiful Japanese bowl.
Sesame paste. Soy sauce. Rice vinegar. Toasted sesame oil.
And of course, this would not be a spicy tantan without your most amazing chili oil.
Whisk.
That just smells seriously unreal. Just pour in that amazing soup.
Whisk. Noodles.
Now, of course, don't forget about your amazing bok choy.
Mushrooms. Green onion. Chili oil. You can now make this amazing ramen with absolute confidence.